after successfully Touch Manager migration, we need to add some small changes in the project. So first of all, let's open Settings, Project Settings. Here we need to find Input, and we don't need for now the touch joysticks, so clear it. And enable touch use for mouse. That will allow us to debug events in the editor except rotate and pinch, because it should have 2 fingers to work on. And right now let's find our character to add the touch manager. Oh, we have it at the top. So it's this character, so we will add touch manager events here. Let's add touch manager component. This one, it's our new component with multiplayer setup. So let's drag and drop it. And here we need to add touch. And let's find our touch event, this one. It's important to find, it's on the bottom. So let's add it. And here we need to write touch event and connect on press and make it true because we are pressing, and connect the touch index. Copy and paste the same event. Now add release. On release, remove on press because it's not press, it's release, and connect index of our touch. So we made our setup for Touch Manager right now. And from Touch Manager, when we have inputs and we send inputs to the Touch Manager, we can get events. For example, let's add on double tap. And on double tap, we will press, let's add the print string. Let's add just test message and just try to do this. You can see when I'm double tapping, we have this event. And it will be the same with all another. We just can, for example, make on swipe and do pretty the same with the swipe. But let's just remove here on jump, so do not jump from touch. So you can see it's now working like expected. And from this component, you can just click and press, and you will add your needed events and into the project. It's a good example, and you can find in Touch Manager more levels and check how it works and add into your own project the same features, functions, and here methods. Hopefully it was helpful for you. So you can like the video and have a lovely day. Bye.